great day, morning, noon, night, whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. As for me, I'm fixing to eat good. I got some Mexican food, some chips with salsa. I don't know if it's hot yet or not. I got me some menudo, and I got some green sauce. This is supposed to be the bomb. I don't know, hopefully it's not too hot. Whew, yeah, I can smell it, it's hot. I got me a taco de pastor, pork, a taco de fajita asada. It's just fajita. Actually, they gave me the wrong one. It was supposed to be diced up, but it's cool. I guess, whatever. But okay, so what you do with your menudo is they give you some onions, cilantro, jalapenos, and you just throw it all in there, just like that. And then some limes, but hang on just a second. Okay, I really don't like the limes. I'd rather have lemons. So let me cut up this little guy real quick. I love my new knife set. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, look at all that lime. I use this so I won't have no lemon seeds inside. Look at all that lime. Yummy! Yummy, yummy, yummy! I put a little bit inside my salsa. My chile. People will be like, chile, salsa. My hot sauce. And in my tacos, just like a little squeeze. Just to give it a little flavor. The pump. Hang on just a second. Sorry for all the little pauses in between. Had to take care of some stuff. They give you corn tortillas with your menudo. I woke up this morning, I was like, man, I feel like eating me some menudo. I wish I knew how to make it. I can make it here at home. I know it's not that hard. I've seen my mom, my dad, you know, my family, my brother-in-law. They all know how to make it, my sister, but I just never took the time to try to make it. This is beef tripe right here. Shoot. Splattered everywhere. Don't you hate when you open the door and there's that one little fly that comes in and it won't leave you the hell alone? Oh, I mean, it won't leave you alone? Yeah, there's one in here. So how are your Sunday going? I mean, oh, I have to show you. I got me what good is Mexican food without a Mexican Coke. So yeah, I love Mexican Coke. Anyways, so yeah, I hope y'all liked my video last night. And something a little different than what I usually post. Need salt. It's all we need, salt. Let's see. We'll try a little bit of this green sauce. Hopefully it's not that hot. Not that hot. Actually, I got the fajita one for my kids. But just so they won't be just staring and being like, Mom, what about me? You know, they give you those puppy dog eyes and they're like, oh, I want some food. So, you know, I always have to get them something. Yes, my dogs are spoiled. I have spoiled dogs. So today is just going to be a day of cleaning house. Let's see. Cleaning house, watching movies, getting everything together for Monday. Hang on. Actually, I'm trying out my new little tripod, so I think it's doing good so far. I like the way it looks. Whew, this hot sauce is hot. I could taste it. In your menudo, this is what I like the most, the hominy. Let me show y'all. See that hominy? I like that. My mom would always tell us it's corn when we were younger. Let me see. Let me find a piece of meat so I can show y'all. See how good it looks? Ooh. Looks good to me. The video I showed last night, I put a little piece of my husband in there. He didn't want to be in the eating video with me because where we went, yeah, we waited like almost an hour for our food, and there wasn't even that many people there. There was just like a few people inside. I mean, everybody else was getting their food, and we were just sitting there like, okay, what about us? Where's our food at? It was just a bad experience all the way around. Hold on, maybe. But anyways, yeah. Probably won't go back there for a while. Or if we go back, I won't meet you that one. I'll probably be in a different town. My husband was like, here, the roadhouse. And I'm like, well, I was thinking about it. He's like, well, this place doesn't have that many cars, so let's go in here because we were going to go to the movies afterwards. So yeah, I think we should have went to the Roadhouse. That hot sauce got my nose running. Whew. It is hot. Whew. Sorry guys. It is some hot chili. But I'm still eating it. It's alright. I'll pay for it later. Chippy? Chippy? That'd be good. Anything. So, you know, menudo is real good after you go drink the night before and you have like a little hangover, or you know, you feel like you have a hangover, get some menudo and eat it, and then I guarantee you'll feel a lot better. That's what I would do whenever I would go drink and I had like a little hangover. I would go and get me some menudo and I would eat it, and after that it was like, whew, I feel a lot better now. Here in our town, we have more Mexican places than anything else. So we have a lot to choose from. There's a couple of them that I won't go to because I've tried their food and I really didn't like it. I mean, it didn't taste like it was like homemade, like fresh, like made right then and there. In this place that I went to, their stuff, they have like chains of food. It's called Jalisco's. Sorry. And they have chains of restaurants, so they're pretty good with, you know, having fresh food and everything. One thing I like about that restaurant, that they have a drive-through, and you don't have to get off, go inside. Woo. It's hot. You just go through that drive-through and yeah. That's it. Get your food and go. You don't have to worry about getting off and waiting inside or nothing like that. I wish that there was other places like that. They would have a drive-through. Mexican restaurants. I mean, you know, McDonald's, Whataburger, and stuff like that. Dairy Queen, they have drive-throughs. But here at this place, ooh, Mexican foods, they need to get drive-throughs. or for the ones that I like. I think I got a lot of food today. A lot. Ooh, sorry. Look at that, my nose is all red. My eyes are watering because see that in there is hot too. Okay guys, I'm back again. Sorry about that little hump in the video. I had to get me a little bit more onions for my food. And my nose kept on running, so I had to take a little break. That one hit right at the back of my throat. Whew. Next time I'm not getting jalapenos. Y'all, like, when I was younger, I used to go to my grandma's, and she would always make this good food. She would make eggs, and they were so fluffy and so pretty, and it was like, oh my god, how does she make her eggs? How do they come out so pretty? And you know, to this day, she makes some awesome eggs, like awesome eggs. But whenever I would go over there, every time I was sick, when I was younger, when I was in school, my mom would be working, my dad would be working, and I had to go to my grandma's house whenever I was sick. And I would just lie in bed. Anything I wanted, my grandma would give me. She always had everything that I needed. You know, and it was like, you hungry? You want something to eat? And I'm like, yeah. So she would always cook for me. She would make refried beans, and she would use the real lard, the grease, but the real one, you know, the straight up grease. Oh man, when she would make her tortillas, the bomb. I haven't had none of her food in a while. I haven't been to see her. I need to. Been a while. My dad lives there with her, and in the same place. So it's like, I go see my dad, and I'll see my grandma at the same time. So kill two birds with one stone, like the saying says. So yeah, but I need to make a day whenever I can go over there and actually go see them. I woke up this morning and I was like, okay, what do you feel like eating today? You want to make a video? And I was thinking to myself, I haven't put no Mexican food on there. We only did tacos. The flavors in this, oh my god, so awesome. You have the cilantro, you have the onions, you have the jalapenos, the meat, the corn in there. Ooh, it's called hominy, if y'all want to know. I know I was thinking when I got up. I got up this morning and I was like, I have that Lipton tea that has the sugar and everything already mixed in it, and all you have to do is put it in water and you're good to go. Ice and water, and that's all you need. And I was thinking to myself, you know what? I don't feel like doing that. So what I did is, before I went to go get my food, I stopped at Bush's Chicken. They have the best sweet tea, and plus this little thing right here. If you go to any other fast food establishment, it's $1, $1.50, almost $2-3 for a large drink. This is a large drink. This thing was only 54 cents. And I got me a gallon tea. A gallon tea and that together was $2.50. So, I mean, a gallon tea and a large tea, that wasn't a bad price. If you would have went to, I know there's this Church's Place, and it's not a gallon, it's like a half gallon or one of the little ones. They are pretty expensive for theirs. And plus, they don't taste as good as that one. I mean, this tea right here, if y'all haven't tried the tea from Bush's Chicken, it's awesome. I was thinking about eating my food in the car, but I took my puppy with me. She likes going for rides. So I took her with me, and I couldn't sit in the car with her. And the food, it didn't come in this bowl. It came in a 32-ounce cup. Kind of like this one. It don't have this bottom part like this. It's just straight down. But a cup like this. And they put the menudo in that. And then, see, when I got home, I had to set everything up. Because, like, the chips and salsa, the chips come in a little bag like this. The tacos came in a little foil. So it would have been too much inside the car to do a video. So I was like, well, maybe next time, since I have my little window mount in there, I could do a video. Dogs are so spoiled, but I got them like that. Me and my husband. Like, in a minute, I have to take them all a bath. Oh, really good. I have to take them all a bath. I have to take them a bath and then put some flea medicine on them, because Apparently it's that time of year when, which I didn't know, that there's fleas. And believe me, there is tons of fleas around. And I feel sorry for my cats, for my dogs. Yes, I have cats too. They stay in the garage. We let them out. They go venture out. Then they come right back. I always tell my husband, it's like, they're gonna get lost. Why do you let them out? But I realize now that they're not going nowhere. They're gonna stay right here. My husband let them out overnight one time, and little guys just came right back home. And it's like, okay, they're never gonna go nowhere. I'm just trying to give the babies away because I have 4 babies. I might put a little picture of them up, show you what they look like. I have little babies and they're real cute. There's one that looks just like the mom. I told my husband it's like a little mini me because she looks just like the mom. I don't know if it's boy or girl. I haven't even checked. Just like the bigger one. The bigger cat, the firstborns of her. It was a white one that came out, and we thought it was a girl, so we were like, oh, we'll call her Snowball. Yeah, it was a boy. So his name is Snowman now. Well, we're gonna rain on our parade and become a boy. Yes, that is so crazy. Anyways, you like my shirt? New Orleans, Louisiana, Bourbon Street. My daughter went to Louisiana, or she went through Louisiana, and she got me a shirt. She's always getting me something. Well, she was before, but I don't know now. She has a boyfriend, and now it's all about them. And I guess that's what happens whenever your kids get older. Excuse me. They get older and they excuse me. They don't forget about their parents. It's like their parents ain't priority anymore. Because my daughter would tell me, yeah, Mom, whenever you get older and you know, I'm going to have a big old house and I'm going to have a room for you because you're not going to a nursing home when you get older. I'm like, oh, okay. Well, I appreciate that. And she was like, excuse me. You don't have to worry about nothing, Mom. You're not going to get put in a nursing home. You're going to live with me for the rest of your life. And I was like, oh, that's so sweet. And now, I don't think I'm on the priority list anymore. I think I got bumped down. But today is just random talking, just different stuff. Yeah. I mean, really not like a big old story time today. Mainly eating. Oh my God. I know what I was going to say. I have seen all, like, the Marvel Comics movies. And Fantastic Four. Or there's going to be another Marvel's coming out in May. And I told my husband, oh, May's my birthday month. I said, we're going to go to the movies that month. Just go watch that movie. And I'm like, okay, whatever you want to do. Sorry about my hair being all ratchet looking. Yeah. It's Sunday. Sunday fun day. But not for me. Today's Sunday cleaning day. Which, I wish I had a maid for that too. I wish I was a millionaire. I had a maid. Somebody to clean my house. Nah, I'm just joking. I like cleaning because if I didn't clean, I would be so bored right now. I would be so bored. I wouldn't even know what to do with myself if I had somebody doing all my stuff. It'd be like, you go try to, like, just say, okay, oh, I'm going to go clean up today. And you have a maid, right? That maid will tell you, no, ma'am, you can't do that. I'll do it. And you're looking at this person like, I pay you to clean my house. So if I want to go and clean up, I can clean up if I want. I pay you to do that. So if I want to do it, you know what? I'll just give her the day off and no worries. There you go. Yeah, that's what I would do. If y'all haven't tried menudo before, try it. It's good. Oh geez, it's raining outside. It's actually pouring. I hear it right now. Glad I let the cat in. Is it raining, Gandalf? Yep. It's pouring out there. Wow. I don't know if y'all can hear it. That is crazy. I'll take you outside in a little bit. I'm going to finish eating my food before it gets colder than what it is. I'm not a fast eater. My husband's a fast eater. I'm not. I'm going to say something. I'm going to give a shout out to Whitney Braddy, Braddy, I don't know if I said it right. I hope I didn't chop it up or anything. But thank you for your very sweet comment about my husband. I really appreciated that. He hasn't seen it. He hasn't read it or anything. I'm sure when he gets up, he'll go read it because he gets the notifications too. So yeah, I really, really appreciate that. And another shout out to Oscar K. I don't know how to say your last name, but thank you for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate that. I mean, I really, really appreciate that. That means the world to me. Whenever y'all comment on my videos, I like that because I like to respond to people. I like to reply. I like to know what people are thinking. I like to know, you know. I mean, I have people they don't comment on my videos, but they'll comment. They'll send me inboxes on my Instagram or on my Snapchat. So, sorry, excuse me. So either way, I do get messages, just like the one that people wanted to see my husband. You know, I got an inbox on my Instagram and on my Snapchat. They're like, well, you always talk about your husband. Why don't you show your husband? And it's like, it made me feel like these people think I'm lying that I have a husband or something. You know, that's the way I felt. So I was like, you know what? Last night when I bought that little mount for my car, I set it up. And I was like, okay. I told my husband before I even started recording, I was like, look, I'm going to introduce you to everybody. And he was like, okay, that's fine. And that's why we had the video in the car. But he said he would do videos with me, but he just doesn't know when, what he wants to eat. I pick up a piece of meat. I just go like this. And I show it to my dog. And he comes running. I don't even have to say nothing to him. He already knows. He's like, oh, I'm going to get some food. Yay! Gets all excited. Right, baby? You don't get so excited. You don't want your papa. Right. You don't want your papa? Oh, and I bought my dog my husband bought it for her, but before we went to PetSmart, we were driving to PetSmart, and my husband's like, I was like, where we're going? Because he was going straight. Usually when we leave the movies, we go straight and then we go home. Well, instead, when we were leaving, we turned right, and I was like, okay, where are we going? You know, thinking to myself, so I didn't say nothing. And, we turned and I was like, where are we going? And he's like, don't even ask for anything for your dog. Well, he calls her a fat dog, but she's not fat. She's beautiful. Anyways, he's like, don't even ask for anything for your dog. And I'm like, okay, but... And I was thinking to myself, I was like, oh, we're going to... we're going to PetSmart. And he just looked at me and I was like, yay! I got all excited. Right as soon as we walk up, mind you, remember I told you we had all these cats? He's so mean. He's like, we're going to put the cats in a box and we're going to leave them right here by the door. Are you serious? That is mean. He's like, well, we have to get rid of them. And I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. The cats are going to stay with us, or if they don't stay with us, I'll give them away to somebody that's going to take care of them, that's going to feed them. You know, I don't want to just give them to somebody and they take them somewhere else and then they get X'd, you know. You know what X means. But, you know, I don't want to do that with the cats. I was like, I'll find somebody to take them if we, you know, if you think it's too many. But he thinks that we have too many cats, so that's why he was saying that. Hold on, Mama. Anyways, so yeah, he was telling me that, but he was just joking. He was like, yeah, I'm going to come and leave him right here. But right as soon as we walked in the door, they had these cute, Christmas things. Like little outfits, little collars. Do you hear the little dingling, the little bells? That's my baby. She got a new collar. Let me see if I can pick her up. Come here, baby. Come here, mommy. Come here. Come here. Let's show everybody your collar. See her collar? Oh, so beautiful. Say hi to everybody. Look. Look, say hi. Oh, they say hi to you. Yes. She's not worried about y'all. She's worried about the food. See, look at her eyes. What are you looking at? What do you want? You want some papa? You want some papa? Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. She's not worried about it. And this is why my husband calls her a fat dog, because she'd rather have the food than anything else. Yes. No, you're not going to step here. I was just showing everybody your little collar. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. Okay. Oh, I almost dropped you. Oh. He says that, okay, my dogs are Chihuahuas. And he says that she is too big for a Chihuahua. She's too big to be a Chihuahua. And I'm like, no, that's how she's supposed to look. That's how Chihuahuas look. They're not supposed to be all small and tiny. And, well, if you see my dog, he's a deer head. And, yeah, he is long. He has long legs, a long body. I'm going to show you a picture of what he looked like when he was little. I'll put it somewhere right here, right here. But I'm going to show you a picture when he was little. He was so adorable. And now, because when he was little, he had these big old monster ears and big old long legs. He still has them. He just grew into your legs and your head. Yes. And see, we bred him with you can see him right here. See him right there? Anyways, we bred him with, he's a deer head, and my husband's dog is a short hair. So she's like this little, and he's like this tall. So when they had dogs, excuse me, when they had puppies, some of them came out short, like my baby A. Some of them came out long, like him, because I have one. I call him a horse, or a cow dog. But you know, I just joke around with them. It's my husband's. He says that's his dog. But and then the other one, he looks in between like the dad, but just with a little bit shorter legs. I'll probably put pictures of them up, or I'll show you what they look like. They're all adorable. I mean, I love my dogs. I love all my animals. Especially my daughters. That's his dog barking. Don't you dare get off. My daughter's dog is beautiful. She came out. Saw what my dog looked like. A light brown. My dog is white with little brown spots on his back. His dog is black. So Nugget, he's black. He came out black like the mama. The other ones came out like light brown. One's a dark brown. But my daughter's dog, I'll put her somewhere right here. My daughter's dog is so beautiful. Nugget. She is so beautiful. She has gray hair. She has gray hair, gray eyes. Just adorable. I mean, I've never seen a dog come out gray before. I mean, like her. She is just so cute. I'm getting my kids the tortilla. Or it's not tortilla, it's a corn tortilla. Did y'all see how big they were? For being a corn tortilla? I was freaking out. They're like, dang, I didn't know they had corn tortillas that big. Look at that. That's a big corn tortilla. But yeah, these kids, who left one right there? But yeah, these kids are spoiled. And then my daughter's dog, My daughter's dog has a room to herself. I think I told y'all that before, but anyways, I'm just talking. Today's just a rambling day, you know, talk about whatever, whenever, whatever. And I know y'all don't mind because y'all more worried about the food and then the talking. Or y'all might worry about the food. The talking. It doesn't matter, you know. Whatever y'all like, you know, I'm going to give y'all whatever y'all like. You know, y'all want me to talk, y'all want me to burp, y'all want me to eat. Hey. Anyways, yeah, my daughter's dog has her own room. Since my daughter moved out, and she couldn't take her with her, which kind of upset me because I thought she was going to take her. Which I don't mind taking care of the dog. It's just like, okay, let us know that we're going to keep her. Instead of beating around the bush and being like, oh, we're going to take her, we're going to take her. And for so long, she kept on telling me, I'm going to take her, I'm going to take her, I'll come get her. Finally, they got their own place. And guess what? They couldn't take her. They can't have pets at that apartment complex. So yesterday, my daughter texted me and she's like, how's my baby? And I told my husband that she was texting. And we were just joking. We were just joking because she just left her here with us. And she's like, how's my baby? I go, oh, she's just skin and bones. She's not eating. My daughter didn't text me back. I'm like, seriously? You think I'm going to let the dog be like that? Come on now. So I had to text her back. I told her that. I was like, seriously? So I texted her back and I told her that. And she's like, you're so mean. Why do you have to be so mean? I was like, I'm just joking with you. Why do you think that? Why would I be mean like that? I wouldn't be mean like that. I wouldn't do something like that. You're so crazy. I go, I was just joking around with you. I'll just see what you were going to say. She was like, okay. She goes, well, she put these little crying faces. And I'm like, she's fine. Don't worry about her. She's in the room. She eats. She's sleeping. She got a whole room to herself. I mean, she's living the life right now. What other dog can say, I have a whole room to myself? Oh, well, besides the mom. The mom has a room to herself. We have a 3-bedroom house. The mom has her own room. She has her own room. And the other guys sleep with me. They know when it's time to go to sleep. They know exactly what time it is. I tell them to lay down, be quiet, don't get up. Just like little kids. Everybody has to go to sleep. They listen. I love it when they listen. Well, guys, I'm getting full. Whew. This was too much food for me. I mean, it was all perfect. But I can save this for later. Eat it later. My taco, I can eat it later. That's all they do. Oh, thunder out there. Yeah, that's all they do. All they do is bark. Eat, sleep, and bark. Well, the other stuff in between, but you know, I don't want to be nasty. That's enough. But yeah, I'm full to the max. And I was thinking about eating some cheesecake too. Or dessert. I don't think that's gonna happen. For what I spent on this, delicious. I can't even breathe now. It's like right here. Oh. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. I hope y'all enjoyed my little bit of rambling around, you know, talking. Oh, I was going to show you outside. I'm going to pause y'all real quick. Okay, guys, I'm outside. I look a little dark out here. But anyways, yeah, it's raining out here. Here's my little truck. I say it's mine, but it's my husband's truck. Yep. I have to go put air in it, in the tires, just so we can use it. That's enough. But yeah, it's raining out here. It's a little chilly out here, but yeah. Oops. I have to cover that little piece up. I don't want y'all to know my license plate number. But yeah. Oh yeah. My husband's a Titans fan. I'm a Texans fan. So yeah. Oh, let me show you what he made for me. I haven't fixed it yet. But yeah. See, he's a Titan fan. He made me a little ice chest thing, and it has like a little setting down there where you can put stuff. And then he made me a flower bed right here, which I need to get it fixed, and I need to put some soil in there. I was going to put this plant in there, aloe vera, so it can grow up bigger than what it is. It looks like somebody's been picking off of it. I'm going to have to plant them soon. But yeah. Oh, my flower fell. But these are my flowers. My hibiscus. I got 3 on. But yeah. So, this is the outside. This is what it looks like, you know. It's a little dirty because of the rain, the wind, everything flying around. But yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share my video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share my video wherever. And until my next video, y'all stay blessed, stay positive, don't let anybody bring you down. And if it's the morning, the noon, the night, or whatever time it is, I hope you're having an awesome one. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video.